we were having a brief consultation with the security team in line with the issues that have emerged in the recent past to do with rampant insecurity in our sub-county. And I'm happy to say that I also had the chance to meet the new security bosses in Siaya. As you are aware, we had a campaign where we were asking the national government to make some transfers so that we have new officers. I'm happy to report that right now we have a new county police commander who has just arrived. We have the new head of intelligence. We have also the new head of Department of DCI. So all these new officers have arrived, and I have had a good chance to talk to them and to engage them on their approach to resolving the insecurity challenges that we have had in the county. And I'm confident that the approaches that they have told me is going to work for our people. So what I want to tell our people right now is that to give you confidence that we have a team here that is capable of handling our insecurity. And I want to give our people the confidence that please operate normally. Don't fear, because whatever plans that have been laid on the ground to help us resolve the challenges that we have is going to work. The other issue that I wanted to say, in line with the transfers of police officers, we have had an assurance from the new county commander that he has put in place plans to also be able to change or to transfer some of the junior police officers who have been here for long. As you are aware, there are some officers that have been here for more than 3 or 4 years, and they are familiar with the environment, so we need them to also give way in line with the policy of the Kenya Police Act that says that officers should not overstay in one station.
My assurance to the people is that security will be enhanced, and we'll enjoy the festive season without any challenges. We know areas of concern which we are focusing on. I might not want to reveal that because that might compromise on our strategies, but my assurance is that we are on top of things.